Also, I got this beautiful tripod. I mean, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to review. Okay, firstly, I ordered a lot of things from 1688. If some of you know me personally, I do pre-order. So from China, straight from China, I do Turkey pre-orders as well, and I do UK. I am also like a personal shopper, right? So now I ordered a lot of filming equipment from 1688, and I want to try this is wireless mic. If this does not work very well, I'll sure to do like a voiceover, but according to this review of this wireless microphone, it says it can remove background noise. So now there's a gen, right? So gen is on and obviously it's making noise. So let's see if this can actually work, right? We're trying it out. So this is the one you put on your clothes, and all you just have to do is press this back for a few seconds, and okay, this is the one that you put on your phone, and this is iPhone mount. So it comes with a charger, more like a cord actually. So this is comes with a cord, and the cord is amazing. And also it comes with the instruction like a manual for easy access. So now let's connect it to my phone and let's see how it works. Okay, so yeah, it says windproof microphone. There's no battery. Alright, so I just hope this is working now. So another thing I got is this. I don't know, for some weird reason this actually came like this. Well, everything was complete. This is a clip, universal clip, and it comes in three mounts, or rather, you know this is the first lens. So just remove it and use it. The lens is fish eye lens 180. Then the second lens is macro, and the third one is wide. So this is it. So this is the first, then this is the other one. So this is what you just clip to your phone. But I don't really think I'll be needing this. I don't know if I want to do like vlog, or maybe I'm sitting in a far distance and I need to use it. Definitely I would love to try it out. I also got this lights. This is smartphone LED selfie lights, and it's very very mini, and the fact that it has like its own charger is a plus for me. Like, I love things that comes with their own cord, not like you order something and you have to buy cord. I mean, what's the essence of me ordering it? This is it. It's mini, very very portable. You can just put it in anywhere. Then this is the place that you clip to your phone. So it has like a 2 and 3 press, and the fact that the light is so bright, it's a plus as well. You can see. Also, I got this beautiful tripod. I mean, this tripod is so portable and lovely. It's so beautiful. This is it, and this is where you insert your phone, right? Just open it. Also, it has like a button, has a button that you connect your Bluetooth and your phone is yes. I mean, you can as well. Okay, I know it's longer than this. See, it also serves like a selfie. Was this selfie stick that we used back then? I don't know if it's still on or something, you know. But the only problem I have with it is that it does not tilt. Like if you want to like tilt is like you want to bend it to get it doesn't work that way. But you don't worry about, you just have to do is place your phone horizontally and you're good to go. That thing I ordered was this thing, but it's so useless. I mean, this is, but if you don't have ring lights or tripod or whatever, you can just, if you want to use like a direct sunlight, then you can use this. Just put it on your mirror and cuff it or turn it or whatever. It works as well. I've opened it and I've tried it. Well, I have a lot of tripod and whatever, so I don't think it's something I'll be needing. Also, I ordered this. Okay, for, I don't know, people who does not know, I'm a makeup artist and I now take outside or traveling jobs, bridal makeup and whatever. So I ordered this what's it called, reflector, and it's silver. It's very big. I don't think I have the strength to open. Another thing I ordered is this, my baby, and this is the tripod. But the only problem I have with the tripod is that I don't know, maybe because the shipping company I use, that for some weird reasons they did not pack it well. So this is how it comes. This one is broken, but it's too old and it's for live stream, RGB photography, studio, outdoor lighting, food, real shots. And this is so powerful. I mean, with this, but the only problem I have is, or not that I have anyways, to be honest, I haven't tried it out, so I wouldn't want to condemn it or something. But I'm scared if there will be heat with it, because this is actually like a LED and it also has a remote, and I love this for it. So the remote is written in China, but in Chinese, sorry, in Chinese, but obviously this is simple to work with. I mean, okay, see on. This is simple to work with. We obviously know that the red button signifies on and off switch. Then these two buttons could mean maybe to like change your lighting setup. Just play with it basically. Then we know that this buttons means up, down, then two sides. The middle means enter if you're pressing a remote control or something. Then this one, just work with it, then you see what it does basically. I mean, it's simple to work with. You get, just like buying a new something that whatever, or better to just Google it or watch YouTube. It works as well. Also, it comes with the heads, right? Whatever it's called. And this is the lights.
one thing I noticed is this remote, the three down buttons, does not do anything, but I'm not so sure yet. I'll see how to play around with it. But the mic is 100 all over 100 when it comes to background sound, but I noticed it's giving this red, like sound, but I still have to work with everything. Like I said, on my next video I'll be giving a more in-depth review as I'll be using all those things. Thank you for watching. Bye.